Hey loyal viewers, on a side note, in case you've installed the bar and all of a sudden your bike doesn't start in gear anymore, check the plug. This plug can come loose when you're hanging the total weight on it, when it's hanging on the side. If this one comes out, it will no longer start in gear. If you have installed the bar and all of a sudden your instrument cluster doesn't work anymore, check this plug. It's behind a latch that you can take off with a small screwdriver. Make sure the plug is inserted all the way, because if not, nothing will work. No blinkers, no nothing, and your dial will not work either. So check that before you freak out. Don't ask me how I know.